What is up, YouTube? This Mr. Couponer here with 5 off of $25 general for this Saturday. Alright, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe notification and hit the bell so you're notified so you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, I got some new lighting in here or whatever. Hopefully it's brighter for y'all. Y'all can see my shadow. Alright, so let's get into it. First, if you're not subscribed to my Instagram page, make sure you head over to Instagram. I will include the link down below in the description, so that way you click on it and it takes you over to the page. So this involves some paper, some laundry, and some snacks. All right, so first item you would get would be Tide Pods 12 to 16 count. They're on sale for $4.95. There's a $3 smart coupon, digital coupon. Then you will grab Gain Flings 12 to 16 count. They're on sale for $3.95. You will clip the $2 coupon. Tide 20 Load Simply. This is for the Simply. You would clip the $1 coupon. They're on sale for $2.95. You would grab the Charmin 12 Double Roll. They're on sale this week for $4.95. You will clip the $1 coupon, making it $3.95, which is, I think, alone, that's a good deal. Also, there's $1 off of catalog, General Mills, and I forgot the other brand. These are all digital within the app. So what I included was 3 of the Rice Krispie Treats, the 8 count. There's $1 digital. They're 3 for $6. 3 for $6. Hold on, let me double check the price. I'll be right back.